Hi there, I'm Michelle the Painter. Today you're going to be watching a time-lapse version of my painting, Autumn Barn. This painting that I did today is inspired by a photo that was submitted by one of my Patreon members by the name of Laura Wainwright. I have a benefit for my Patreon members whereby every now and again I'll put out a call for photos. They'll submit photos to me and I turn some of them into YouTube tutorials. And as a thank you, I will send the original painting off to whoever submitted the photo. So I hope Laura enjoys her painting. So if you're interested in learning how you could submit your photo to me, or watching the full-length version of this video, because it is available to you, or learning more about the Patreon membership program, because there's a lot of other benefits that you can use that will help to increase your artistic and your painting skills. I have all of that information down below in the video description. So I hope you enjoy. And then that is going to conclude this painting. I hope you enjoyed the process. I hope you painted yourself a pretty autumn themed painting, and I look forward to painting and sipping with you again sometime.